If you've got the Ace Pro 2 or are thinking about picking one up, you're in the right spot. Today we're talking about the accessories you actually need to get the most out of your camera. No more wasting money on stuff you don't need. Let's jump in. First up, we've got this multi-mount. This thing is super versatile and should be in every Ace Pro 2 kit. Use it as a grip for vlogging, a tripod for stable shots, or even extend it as a selfie stick. Can also be underslung for low angle shots, which is great for getting creative. Here's why you need it. With a movable ball head and a 1/4 inch thread adapter, it easily attaches to your camera. Trust me, you'll find yourself reaching for this one all the time. Now, let's get into the utility frame. This isn't just any cage. It's specifically designed for the Ace Pro 2. What it offers is solid protection while giving you easy access to all buttons and ports. Plus, the quick release button makes it super easy to remove your camera when you need to. This is important because if you're planning to shoot in rough conditions or during high action activities, this frame will help keep your camera safe from damage. The vertical horizontal mount is another accessory you shouldn't overlook. This works by clipping onto your camera and lets you switch between vertical and horizontal orientations effortlessly. Perfect for those social media posts. This flexibility means that you can adapt your shooting style quickly, ensuring you capture the best angles for your footage. For anyone serious about audio, the Mic Air is a fantastic addition. This wireless mic is lightweight, delivers great audio quality, and has a long battery life. It even has a 1-button noise reduction, ideal for those windy days. Now, if you're filming vlogs, interviews, or content where sound quality matters, this mic is going to make a big difference. And of course, it's made by Insta360 and is going to integrate with the platform really well. The GPS preview remote is a handy tool for managing your shots from a distance. It gives you a live view of what your camera is recording, so you can adjust settings, start and stop recording, and monitor your shots all from your wrist. It's also especially helpful for action sports or when your camera is mounted in tricky spots. You'll never miss a shot again. And don't forget about the GPS action remote. It's a simpler option that lets you start and stop recordings without all those extra features. If you want a straightforward remote for basic functions, this is a solid choice that won't break the bank. You can always use your Apple Watch though. For underwater filming, the dive case is essential. The case allows you to take your Ace Pro 2 down to depths of 60 meters, perfect for scuba diving or snorkeling. And if you are into water sports or capturing marine life, this case really does open up your shooting possibilities. If you're filming above water, then the float guard is a must-have. This accessory ensures that if you drop your camera, it floats instead of sinking. It also offers extra protection from bumps and knocks. Now, this float guard is especially useful for getting footage while swimming or kayaking, so you've just got a bit of extra protection so you don't lose your camera. For cycling enthusiasts, the Handlebar mount is a great accessory. It clamps securely onto your handlebars and features a built-in mini magic arm, which allows you to position the camera at lots of different angles. It's perfect for capturing your rides or outdoor adventures, ensuring you get stable and dynamic footage. Now, the mini 2-in-1 tripod is a compact but versatile accessory, serving as both a tripod and a handheld grip. Its small size makes it really easy to carry, and it can be set up quickly for stable shots on any surface. Whether you're filming indoors or outdoors, this tripod gives you a reliable setup without the bulk, and it's probably the one I use most. Now let's talk about the Xplorer grip kit. This accessory makes your action camera feels more like a classic point and shoot. The Xplorer grip kit snaps onto the Ace Pro 2 with a sturdy metal frame. You get a comfortable hand grip, the Leica inspired shutter button, and 3 accessory mounts, along with a wrist strap for added security. Now, this kit addresses a lot of common frustrations with standard hand grips by providing dedicated shutter controls and accessory mounts too. And I think that the ergonomic grip reduces the strain that you might feel on your hands during long shoots if photography is your thing. Photography? And the shutter button is easy to reach, giving you a nice tactile feel that really enhances your shooting experience. At around $85, the Xplorer grip kit is a a smart investment if this is your thing, and it can change how you approach shooting with the Ace Pro 2, especially for street style vloggers and travel shooters. Here's the portable charging case, and this is essential for those long shooting days. With a 10,000 milliamp hour capacity, it can charge your Ace Pro 2 batteries on the go. It also acts as a power bank for other devices and has 2 slots for micro SD cards as well. If you often shoot in remote locations or during extended sessions, then this case will save you from worrying about running out of battery power, both for your Ace Pro 2 and your other devices too if you need them. Next, let's talk about the triple suction mount. Even though originally designed for 360 cameras, if you're into action shots, this might be one you want to check out. It is expensive though, whoa! Now this mount has 3 suction cups that provide a solid attachment, keeping your camera stable even at high speeds. It's built to handle vibration so you can focus on capturing those epic moments. However, you would always want to be using tethers with suction mounts for peace of mind, especially when filming in fast moving situations, not just this sucker mount, any sucker mount. And speaking of spills and thrills, a spare lens guard is a simple yet essential accessory for protecting your camera's lens from scratches and damage. Accidents happen, and having a spare lens guard means you can quickly replace a damaged one without needing to send your camera for repairs. It's especially important if you're shooting in rugged environments. Now, the carry case is crucial for keeping all your gear organized and protected. It's padded and it has compartments for all your accessories and a netted area for cables and things that don't fit into the slots, and it's designed to fit the Ace Pro 2 perfectly. Keeping your accessories organized saves you time and ensures you have everything you need for your shoot. And if that's a little too big, you can always opt for the smaller carry case that fits just the camera with a battery, mount and cables too. There's also the quick release mounts, which are thinner and stronger than before, compatible with X5, Ace Pro and Ace Pro 2, featuring Insta360's proprietary magnet locking mechanism. And the quick release mount 2.0 supports cross compatibility with the X3, X4, X5, as well as the Ace Pro 2, with a 2-in-1 design, including GoPro style mounts, if that's what you're into. But let's get into a little bit more detail about the new helmet chin mount. This is a pioneer in the category, delivering immersive POV action shots when mounted on a helmet. Now, it features a 3-pronged GoPro style mount, and it allows you to position your camera vertically or horizontally, totally flexible to your shooting style. Now, inside the helmet, there's a dedicated spot to mount your mic air, effectively eliminating wind noise for clear audio. On the back, it includes a built-in helmet microphone stand, making it ultra discreet yet delivering top-tier audio quality. For motorcyclists seeking the best on-road audio and video setup, I think this mount's going to be hard to beat. Focus on gear that matters and avoid wasting money on gimmicks. Let me know in the comments which accessory you're most excited about, and I'll see you in the next video.